Yo, have you seen what KABAM just dropped? We're talking about a brand new Eidel champion, and his name is Solvarch, aka the Wolf of Stars. And bro, this guy looks absolutely insane. Like if a cosmic god and an ancient warrior had a baby and gave it a star to eat for breakfast. But here's the real deal. You can actually get this beast for free. No crystals, no RNG, just straight up earn him if you know where to look and what to do. In this video, we're breaking down everything. Who Solvarch is, how wild his design looks, and step by step, how you can chase him down without spending a single unit. And if you do want to spend, yeah, we'll talk about that too. So stick around, grab a snack or whatever, because if you're even thinking about adding this idol to your roster, you do not want to miss this. Let's go. All right, so we've got a whole ass webpage dedicated to Solvarch, and it's time to dig into it. See what kind of heat this champ is really bringing. So right off the bat, they hit us with this. Hello, summoners. Yeah, we'll let that slide. Then they drop some titles, and I'm not gonna lie, these sound wild. They are known to ancient worlds by many names: Wolf of the Stars, Crafter of Chaos, and Favored Child of the Founders. Okay, hold up. Wolf of the Stars? That is giving big cosmic energy, and I'm here for it. If Solvarch ends up being a cosmic Eidel, that's already a W. We've seen how busted some of those cosmic champs can get. Plus, you don't throw around titles like Crafter of Chaos, unless you're about to make a serious mess in the battle realm. Then they say, Solvarch was crafted to be the ultimate intergalactic soldier. They are an Eidel who can feast upon the power of a sun and then turn that energy against their foes. Bro, feast on a sun? What are we doing here? Giving this dude a buffet of nuclear explosions? That's not just hype, that's borderline terrifying. This champ might show up and start deleting health bars for breakfast. And the cherry on top, this nightmare is chased by shadows and cold as they drain the strength from all who are foolish enough to face them. Yeah, I don't know about you, but that sounds like big menace energy. Like stand there and watch your power disappear kind of vibes. That whole drain the strength bit sounds like we're looking at some sort of power manipulation or energy siphon mechanic, which could get nasty in the right matchups. So yeah, between the sun eating, the cosmic hints, and the chaotic soldier backstory, Solvarch's already sounding like a monster, and we're just getting started. All right, so after hyping up this cosmic sun-eating chaos machine, KABAM wastes zero time getting to the real talk. How do you get Solvarch? And yeah, you already know what time it is. It's grind season or swipe season. Check this out. Collect Shatter Essence while battling in the contest from areas such as Battlegrounds, Saga incursions, raids, by becoming high-ranked in Featured Hero Arena. Cool. That's the usual. BGs, incursions, arena, the standard sweat fest. You want Solvarch? You better clock in because this ain't no casual stroll through the daily objectives. But then they hit us with bonus essences will also be available within Saga double track events, weekly deals, and other offers for those who simply cannot wait. There it is. The swipe warning. That's the nice way of saying, hey, if you're not trying to suffer through Battlegrounds and Arena, just hit the store and let your credit card do the heavy lifting. And here's the real kicker. You need 12 Shatter Essence to get even one copy of Solvarch. But from the free-to-play grind, you're only getting 8. So yeah, math's not mathing unless you go hard or you open that wallet like it's Black Friday. It's basically play everything, win everything, maybe cry a little, and still come up short unless you throw in a few bucks. It's classic Eidel business. Drip feed the hype, gate it behind a grind, and then say, but hey, this bundle's got some extra essence in it. Honestly, it's kind of brutal, but if Solvarch turns out to be as cracked as he sounds, people are gonna go for it. The grind will be real, the arena will be sweaty, and the whales already circling. How to get Solvarch for free? All right, now let's talk about the dream, getting Solvarch without spending a dime. No bundles, no deals, just that pure grind life. So here's the deal. According to KABAM's own chart, there's actually a path to 8 Shatter Essences completely free. But, and it's a big one, you've got to be patient. Like seasonal event calendar patient. Let me explain. The free path, no competition required. You can collect 1 Shatter Essence each from the following non-competitive stuff. AQ raids, regular or nightmare, happening June, August, and September. That's 3 total. Incursion Saga Sector, complete Zone 15 during July. AW Encounter Showcase, explore it fully in July. Captain Britain Double Track, Platinum Track. This one drops in June but is only available on day 84, so yep, late. Featured Hero Arena Rank 1. If you somehow win a featured arena, you get one here too. But let's be real, that's a bloodbath, so not exactly non-competitive. So altogether, that gives us a possible 8 free Shatter Essence, just by showing up, playing regularly, and not sweating the leaderboard life. But, and here's where the grind talk comes in, you need 12 to redeem Solvarch. So what now? The competitive path, sweat mode engaged. If you're trying to close that gap up without spending, you're gonna have to suit up and hit Battlegrounds hard. During seasons 29, 30, and 31, KABAM is offering up to 12 Shatter Essence for players who make it into high Gladiator Circuit placements. Top 100 gets at least 1 Shatter Essence. Top 10 gets 3. Top 3 gets 6. Top 1 gets the full 12 Essence in one go, meaning instant Solvarch, no wallet needed. But come on, let's be honest, top 1 is reserved for the literal gods of Battlegrounds. That's some elite territory right there. You're basically fighting people with PhD-level draft skills and reflexes faster than Quicksilver. So let's be practical. If you can land somewhere in that top 100 range and combine that with the 8 Essence from the free path, you could actually grab at least 1 copy of Solvarch for free without spending. And, of course, the swipe life. If you don't feel like sweating through BGs or waiting for all this to roll out over multiple months, well, there's Thronebreaker Plus weekly deals, 1 per week, total of 90 chances. That's a slow drain on your wallet if you go that route. Or the Shatter Essence bundle, which is unlimited. And yeah, that means spenders can grab Solvarch day 1 if they want. Want Solvarch free? Be patient, grind consistently, and try to place top 100 in Battlegrounds for that sweet extra essence. Want Solvarch fast? Better hit that arena, BGs, or just straight up buy it. Want Solvarch instantly? Hit number 1 in BGs, or pull out the big wallet. So yeah, KABAM's giving us options, just depends how much time, skill, or money you're willing to throw in the ring. Yeah, that 7-star Solvarch, it's gonna cost you 12 Shatter Essence, and that path ain't easy. You either need to grind Battlegrounds like your life depends on it, or be ready to swipe your way through the store. But hold up. Casual players, don't even stress. KABAM actually threw y'all a serious this time. If you're just here to chill, don't want to climb the leaderboard, and just want to try out this new cosmic beast without putting your thumbs through a stress test, you can still get Solvarch as a 6-star, completely free. And the best part? It only costs 5 Shatter Essence. That's it. No top 100 grind, no intense BG sweat sessions. Just do a few key objectives throughout the event. We're talking light effort, and boom, you got yourself a shiny new 6-star Solvarch to play with. So yeah, whether you're a full-time grinder or just logging in for the vibes, everyone gets a piece of the Solvarch hype. And honestly, that's kind of sick. Just look at this monster. Solvarch's design is straight up unreal. Tell me that doesn't look like some kind of ancient warrior god fused with cosmic tech. He's got this full-blown battle wolf meets mecha gladiator vibe, with those razor-sharp armor plates, luminescent runes glowing all over his body, and those massive cybernetic gauntlets that look like they could punch a hole through dimensions. It's like if an Egyptian war deity got dropped into a galactic war zone and came out wearing Iron Man's final form. And with that star-forged horned helmet and explosive cosmic energy radiating from every step, bro, he looks like pure destruction. And that's why I cannot wait to see how he plays in-game. KABAM officially called him the Wolf of Stars. So you already know they're cooking up something nasty. That name alone screams Cosmic Class Eidel, and if there's one thing we know about Cosmic Champs lately, it's that they've been hitting hard and breaking metas. Fingers crossed he's got that crazy damage potential, some wild utility, and maybe even something game-changing, like neutralize immunity or anti-tech ramp-up. We'll see. But here's the big brain question. Since Eidel champions don't go into the Titan pool, who's replacing him? Because someone's got to take that 7-star slot, right? And look, this whole event is Fantastic Four themed, so maybe it's someone like 7-star Human Torch or 7-star Mr. Fantastic finally joining the Titan roster? I don't know, but I'm seriously curious. So now I'm throwing it over to you guys. Who do you think is going to step into the Titan pool next? Who do you want? Drop it down in the comments. Let's talk about it. I want to hear all the theories. If you're hyped for Solvarch, smash that like button like you just landed in SP3, and make sure you hit subscribe for more daily Marvel Contest of Champions content. We're talking leaks, tier lists, meta shifts, all of it. And this Fantastic Four saga is only just heating up. Stay sharp, stay cosmic, and I'll catch you in the next one.